Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a Solana program that creates an SPL token using the Token 2022 program. Let's dive in. First, we import the necessary libraries from Solana Web 3.js and SPL token. These include key pair for managing wallets, connection for interacting with the blockchain, and other essential functions like create mint, get or create associated token account, and mint too. Next, we establish a connection to the Solana DevNet using the cluster API URL function. This allows us to interact with the Solana blockchain in a test environment. We define a private key in base 58 format and decode it to create a key pair for our wallet. This wallet will be used to deploy and manage our token. Now, we create an SPL token using the create mint function. The mint authority and freeze authority are both assigned to our wallet. The token is set to have 9 decimal places, just like Solana's native SOL token. We're using the Token 2022 program to enable advanced features. After creating the mint, we need an associated token account to hold the newly minted tokens. The get or create associated token account function ensures that our wallet has an account linked to the minted token. Now we will run the script by this command node, createToken.js. Then we will wait for the output. Now we will see results in the Sol scan. And that's it! We've successfully created an SPL token on Solana using the Token 2022 program. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more blockchain tutorials. Happy coding!